If you've ever tried setting ignition timing with a cheap timing light that flickers, misfires, or straight up gives you inconsistent readings, you already know how frustrating engine tuning can get. One wrong reading and suddenly you're chasing rough idle, poor fuel economy, or even engine knock that could have been avoided entirely. And the worst part? A bad timing light doesn't just waste your time, it leads you to tune the engine wrong. So in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best timing lights so you can get accurate readings, tune your engine properly, and avoid costly mistakes that come from guessing. And before we jump in, if you're into real, hands-on automotive reviews from someone who actually works on engines, hit that subscribe button. I keep things practical, no hype, no marketing fluff. I've also linked the best current deals in the description below, and if you're working on a specific engine or tuning issue, drop a comment and I'll help you out. Starting at number 5, we've got the Obminster Automotive Timing Light 12V Inductive Ignition Timing Light. Right away, this one feels like a basic but functional entry point. The inductive clamp design is straightforward, and the housing feels light but decent enough for occasional garage use. It connects easily to standard 12V systems and works with most ignition setups without much setup hassle, which makes it beginner-friendly. In real-world use, this is the kind of tool you'd grab for occasional timing adjustments or basic troubleshooting. Here's where this really stands out: it gets the job done without overcomplicating anything. If you're a DE mechanic just learning how ignition timing works, this is an easy way to get started. Compared to older analog-style timing lights that are inconsistent or hard to read, this one is more stable. But the drawback is pretty clear: it's not built for long-term heavy use, and accuracy can vary slightly under higher RPM conditions. Now the next one fixes a problem a lot of budget timing tools struggle with: clarity and reliability. At number 4, we've got the Innova 3551 Inductive Timing Light. This is where things start feeling more refined. The build quality is noticeably better, the inductive clamp feels more secure, and the strobe output is brighter and easier to see under engine bay lighting. The overall design is simple, but it's built with enough durability for repeated use in a home garage or small workshop. In real-world use, this timing light performs consistently across most standard ignition systems. This is what most people don't realize: visibility matters just as much as accuracy when you're timing an engine. If you can't clearly see the timing marks under the strobe, your readings are useless. The Innova 3551 gives you a cleaner, more stable flash compared to cheaper units. It's ideal for daily drivers, older vehicles, and e-tuning work. The only drawback is that it lacks advanced features, so it's strictly a straightforward analog-style timing tool. But now we're stepping into tools that start giving you more control over engine tuning. Coming in at number 3 is the Innova 3555 Advanced Timing Light. Right away, you can tell this is built for users who want more than just basic timing checks. The housing feels stronger, the clamp is more precise, and the unit includes advanced functionality for more detailed ignition adjustments. That means you're not just checking timing, you're actively dialing in performance. Here's where this really stands out: in real-world tuning scenarios, that advanced feature gives you a deeper understanding of how your engine responds under different conditions. Whether you're working on performance upgrades or fine-tuning an older engine, this tool helps you go beyond factory settings. Compared to entry-level timing lights, the control you get here is a big step up. It's especially useful for enthusiasts working on carbureted engines or modified ignition systems. The only drawback is that beginners might need a little time to fully understand how to use the advanced function properly. Now this next one is where things start feeling truly professional. At number 2, we've got the Innova 3568 Digital Timing Light. This is where analog simplicity meets modern digital accuracy. The digital readout makes it much easier to see exact timing values without guessing or interpreting flash alignment manually. The build quality feels solid, and the inductive pickup provides stable readings even at higher RPMs. In real-world use, this timing light makes engine tuning significantly more precise. Here's what most people don't realize: small timing adjustments can make a huge difference in performance, fuel efficiency, and engine smoothness. The digital display eliminates guesswork and lets you fine-tune with confidence. It's especially valuable for enthusiasts working on performance builds or diagnosing drivability issues. Compared to analog models, the clarity and precision here are on another level. The only drawback is that it's slightly more complex to use if you've never worked with digital timing tools before. And now we've reached number 1. Taking the top spot is the Innova 5568 Pro Digital Timing Light. This is the one that consistently delivers professional-level performance. The construction is rugged, the digital interface is clean and easy to read, and the overall responsiveness during engine tuning is excellent. It combines precision timing, advanced measurement, and strong visibility into one tool that feels purpose-built for serious automotive work. In real-world use, this timing light is extremely reliable. Here's where this really stands out: it removes uncertainty completely. Whether you're tuning a performance engine, diagnosing misfires, or dialing in ignition for maximum efficiency, the readings stay consistent and trustworthy. This is the kind of tool you see in professional garages because it saves time and prevents tuning mistakes. Compared to cheaper timing lights, the difference in accuracy and ease of use is immediately obvious. The only drawback is that it's overkill for someone who only plans to do basic occasional timing checks. At the end of the day, the right timing light depends on how deep you go into engine tuning. If you just need something basic for occasional adjustments, the Obminster is a decent entry-level option. The Innova 3551 gives you better clarity and reliability for standard use. The 3555 adds useful advanced features for enthusiasts. The 3568 brings digital precision for more serious tuning work. But if you want the most complete, accurate, and professional-grade timing light on the list, the Innova 5568 is the clear number one. Getting ignition timing right isn't optional, it's the difference between a smooth, efficient engine and one that runs poorly or wears out faster than it should. And once you use a proper timing light, you realize just how much guesswork cheaper tools introduce. If this review helped you out, subscribe for more real-world automotive tools and tuning guides. Check the description for the latest deals on all 5 timing lights and drop a comment if you're working on a specific engine setup and need advice. You now know more than most buyers before they start tuning. Go make the right choice.